Meaning of giggly.
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 Giggly. The word giggly describes a person who frequently or easily giggles or laughs in a childlike manner. It is often used to describe someone who is feeling giddy, excited, or nervous, and who expresses those emotions through laughter. People who are giggly may find themselves laughing at things that others may not find particularly funny, or they may simply be experiencing a heightened state of happiness or joy. The term can also be used to describe things that evoke giggling or amusement, such as a silly joke or a playful prank.